How to delete your Neopets account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your Neopets account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to delete our Neopets account, there are two ways to do it. One is directly by going to the Neopets account deletion page. The other is by sending an email to Neopets. So first of all, you can see I'm on the Neopets website, but you don't want to click on here anywhere else. What I will do is I will leave a link in the description box which will take you to this website right over here, which is the official account closure page of neopets.com. So it is neopets.com/remacct.phtml. As I said, I'll make sure to drop a link below. You can go to this page and it says removing your Neopets account, right? So over here all you have to do is just go ahead and enter the password of a Neopets account and then just click on the button that says remove my account over here. It will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete your Neopets account? So just click on the OK button. This is actually one way to do it, right? So you can simply go to this specific link. I'll make sure to drop a link below. The other is by actually sending an email to Neopets. So for that, what you have to do is just go to Gmail and then compose a new email, and then in the to section you just want to go to this email called support@neopets.com. This is the official email of Neopets support page. So you want to go to this email, send it to this email, and then here you simply want to type in delete my account. So right over here you want to make sure to simply type in delete my account, and in this case in the body you have to simply enter the Neopets username as well as the email address of which you want to delete it, and then simply tell them that you want to delete your Neopets account, and then just hit the option called send, and they will get back to you with a positive solution and delete your account in that case respectively. And that's all it takes to delete your Neopets account, but the quickest way is directly by going to this URL over here. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.